Law.
Law, sorry.
Yeah. How can I help you?
I'm just obviously inquiring about the issue that's gone on. Could you mind just...
No, it's okay.
Face,
no, I'm just recording it for my own safety.
Right, well, obviously, gentleman that's from the TV licensing agency has obviously called us in relation to obviously taking photos, etc. I just wondered what the problem was in relation to...
I haven't got no problem at all.
Right, okay. Well, obviously, it's just unnerved him a little bit, and you know...
Am I unnerving you?
Well, it is a bit unsettling, to be quite honest.
Did I ask him to come to my house?
No.
Have I asked you to come to my house?
He's doing a job, isn't he, as am I.
Have I asked you to come?
Well... all I'm is obviously just to speak to you, sir, about it. And he's a genuine person from the TV licensing.
I have no doubt whatsoever he is.
So I just wanted
What is his authority?
Well, at this moment in time, he hasn't got any authority.
What is your authority?
Well, I'm here just obviously to try and sort of speak to you, you know.
Is that it?
Offer words of advice at this moment in time, because obviously it's unsettling.
Why would you think that I need advice?
Well, it's obviously I'm trying to do my job, and obviously the fact that...
Can I ask, just before you say, because I know you're trying to do your job, but just so as I'm clear on that, what is your job?
Well, I'm obviously... that's just ridiculous saying I'm a police officer. Somebody's obviously made a complaint saying that you've been following them with a camera.
Have you got any authority to be on my property?
Well, yeah, when I'm investigating an incident, yes I have.
What incidents occurred?
Well, the fact that you've been following him with a camera, I wanted to find out the circumstances.
Am I breaking any laws filming anybody?
Oh, well, not this moment in time, sir, but obviously it could constitute as harassment, so obviously I just
How could that happen?
Sure. Because obviously, do you not realise the fact that, you know, sometimes you go around filming people, and obviously you could be...
Do I have a right to film in public?
You're obviously creating a harassment, alarm of distress
no, I'm not.
A member of the public enough to contact us.
Do I have a right to film in public?
Well, it depends what you're filming, sir, doesn't it?
Anything in public. In the public thing. If I go on my street and film anything on the street, can I do that?
I don't want to stand here and argue, Mr. Law.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you a question. Can I film anything in public? In the public? Can I do that?
It depends what it is, sir.
It's in the public, so it doesn't really matter, does it? If it's against the law to film in public, then everybody with a camera would be breaking the law, wouldn't they?
I'm not here to fall out with you.
I'm not falling out with you. I'm just defining the boundaries.
I just wanted to chat with you to make sure that everything was in order, because
everything's in order from my side of things.
That's fine. That's fair enough then.
Is everything in order from your side of things?
Everything's only in order from my side of things. Obviously, I just wanted to speak to you, so I could tell the gentleman that I have spoken to you.
Okay.
And obviously he may be returning to enforce whatever it is he's got to speak to you about.
Well, if you could tell him that I don't want him to come back, and that I want to reserve my right to protect my property, and is not welcome on my property.
Well, that's fair enough, but obviously...
And if he wants to take it any further with the courts or anything like that, then that's fine.
Won't he?
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
But I don't want him to come on my property, so if you are actually going to speak to him again, then tell him not to come back to my property.
Well, that's fair enough, but obviously if he's got the appropriate, documentation, if he does come back with any sort of warrants...
Well, there's no evidence or anything to suggest I'm breaking any laws or doing anything wrong.
That's not up to me to decide. Obviously they deal with the TV licensing.
Well, we're talking about the TV licence. I mean, there's no law, is there? I'm not breaking a law even if I've not got a TV licence, have I?
It is. You do have to have a
TV
licence.
No, I don't. Do you know anything about the law?
I do know about the law.
What is the law on the TV licence? What is the law on the TV licence? Why not? You are a police officer.
Yeah, but that
you deal with the law.
That doesn't mean that I know everything about every single law that is, out there.
So you're a police officer enforcing laws, but you don't know every law. Is that right?
Oh, that's great.
Really? Okay, that's very good information. So you're coming to my door telling me I need a TV licence, but really you don't know.
No, I'm not coming to your door telling you.
You just did. I've got it on camera. That's why I'm filming it.
What I'm saying is, it's obviously a requirement for you to hold a TV licence.
No, it's not.
If you have a TV. They are just here doing their job, and I'm just here to speak to you about it, because obviously we've received a complaint. At this moment in time, as I said, that's all I'm here to do.
Okay.
I'm not here to be funny.
I didn't ask anybody to come to my door, right? It's got nothing to do with anybody what's in my house, regardless whether I have got a TV or I haven't got a TV. Okay?
Okay.
Nothing to do with anybody.
Okay.
So if they want to enforce something, then that's fine.
Okay.
There's nothing you can do. I don't even know why he's wasting your time.
Alright, well, I have to come and at least just say I've spoken to you about it.
Why though? Why would you have to come and... Why do you have to come and... Why?
Because somebody's obviously been upset about your actions, about what's happened. And that's fair enough. I'm just here to say that
Isn't it funny, like, when we get a camera and actually film people, because, you know, of what they're actually doing, that they get a little bit funny about it, you know. I mean, obviously, you know, I want to protect myself. I want this on camera. I want it documented so that we can.
That's perfectly fine.
If anything was to be said out of context, or you was to say no, he said this or X, Y, and Z, then I've got it on camera. This is my documentation of the whole affair. Okay. And I'm not breaking any laws.
No, that's fair enough then. And obviously, like I just said though, if he does return, obviously it will be or for whatever. You know, if they've got particular documentation, then that's up to them to do. Okay. Obviously, I'm just here just.
So, are you satisfied?
At this moment in time, I'm happy just have spoke to you about it.
Okay.
And that'll be the end of the matter.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool on that?
Okay.
Are you going to come back?
I'm not going to come back today, no.
Okay, that's good.
All right.
Okay, enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you, Mr. Law.
Thank you for that. Bye bye.